This video will dive into the meaning of numerology number 4, which is known as one of the karmic numbers. Number 4 is ruled by the planet Uranus, which is known for its uniqueness due to its tilted axis and opposite direction of rotation. Uniqueness is one of the main personality traits of people who are represented by number 4. This could be reflected in their choice of fashion, music, interests, opinions, and lifestyle. They want to build new things from the ground up, and they have a practical sense that helps them get things done. People who have this number are profound thinkers, which may cause them to appear reserved, and they may experience great contrasts within themselves. One side of them can be very gentle and sensitive, while another side can be perceived as stubborn and rebellious. Number 4 differ from what's considered normal, and others might struggle to understand them at times, which can make them feel lonely or misunderstood. Despite misunderstandings, they should have faith in their inner voice and stay authentic to their true self, disregarding external judgments. They can be very innovative when their energy is used correctly, but might experience that others aren't welcoming their futuristic ideas as much as they would hope. Their ideas are likely to be far ahead of their time, which can make them seem unconventional or unattainable to others. Since number 4 is one of the karmic numbers, it may encounter many resets in life. It is more likely to experience periods of upheaval and transformation in which it is forced to start over. Yet they have a positive mind and are able to handle life's challenges and can keep going despite their failures. Unlike number 1, which is not as resilient to failure. Number 4 is associated with the natural force of death and rebirth. Though it might seem intimidating at first, it holds deep symbolic significance. Metaphorically, it signifies the removal of the old way of doing things by enforcing transformation. People with this number are likely to choose a unique career, perhaps even inventing their own title and business, and they can be really skilled within anything that has to do with technology and innovation. When number 4 is out of balance and the energy becomes too strong, they become very angry and tend to have a rebellious behavior against everything around them. Additionally, the number 4 is also linked with chaos. But when the energy is too weak, they feel weird, wrong, and misunderstood. Number 4 is also associated with autism and OCD. How you experience your numbers depend on your overall chart and how you use your numbers. I am offering one free reading to one of my viewers. To participate, you need to add one word that you think resonates the most with number 4, plus your birthday. Remember to like the video, as the winner will be pronounced once the video has 50 likes. The biggest life lesson for number 4 is to learn how to channelize their need for being different into constructive solutions. They should be aware that their need for doing things in their own way doesn't cause them to step on other people's toes. So the lesson is to learn to use their uniqueness for something good, which leads us to the life purpose. The life purpose of number 4 is to be a reformer. It is here to change the world into a better place by putting traditions and dogma to the test. And number 4 does have a mind for innovation and the skills to build something huge. Make sure to watch my other videos about the numbers from 1 to 9 to understand how number 4 is unique and different.